Happy July 4th to everyone! Before we get started, I just want to thank each and every one of you for being here. Your support means the world to me and is what keeps this channel growing every day. Today is a great day to celebrate because we have some explosive news that could change everything for crypto. The Federal Reserve just did something that could decide the fate of XRP and the big gorgeous bill. It was just signed over to set the ground for a huge change in the economy and a possible crypto explosion. But here's the crazy thing. There are rumors that XRP might have a set value. Because of all these new regulations and changes in the economy, it might happen as soon as July 14th. So if you want to keep ahead of the game and help the XRP community, right now hit the like button to help more people find this information when they need it most. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates, especially as these stories develop. Let's get into the biggest crypto news of the summer. Now, Bitcoin is worth $109,035. It's now at a loss of 0.75%. Ethereum, which is directly behind it, it's coming in at 2,055. It's down 1.77% right now, and XRP is holding on to the number 4 slot, which isn't too bad. It's down 3%, but hey, it's only $2.23. You can feel it, can't you? You can tell that the markets are about to break out in a big way. You may feel a summer rise. We are really close to falling over. The total market cap for all cryptocurrencies is $3.39 trillion. This is the new channel, the Bullwinkle Blueprint. Everyone who gave us a thumbs up yesterday, and we got a record amount of them. YouTube sent out the video. It earned more than 25,000 views. Let's do it once more. Let's keep growing and pushing a wallet that hasn't been used in over 14 years. People, you just sent 10,000 Bitcoin out. Can you believe you bought Bitcoin 14 years ago, and now it's worth more than $1 billion? Are you serious? Julian posted this for the best singles in Bitcoin history. Each one was a top. We are not even close to having simply lines for every Bitcoin bull run, every halving that we have seen, and what we are seeing today. We have a lot of space to run, and a lot of space to grow. I've been saying this for a long time. This bull run is still going strong. We have 3 to 6 months. After that, Bitcoin will shoot up and cross those red lines. We'll have the Bitcoin peak, a huge and parabolic alt season, and everyone will be pleased. A lot of us will be purchasing new cars and houses and going on nice trips. Ripple and Tenity worked together to start an XRP Ledger accelerated initiative in Singapore. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, let's take a quick and fun diversion. This is a big step forward. This is going to speed up new ideas on the XRP Ledger. What is the program called Accelerator? A lot of folks don't really get it. This is like Shark Tank, except only for blockchain. Ripple and Tenity are bringing together some of the smartest people and most daring entrepreneurs from all over Asia. They are giving them money, advice, and direct access to build on the XRP Ledger. These new businesses have a tremendous chance to change the world and convince people to use the XRP Ledger. The more people utilize the ledger, the more XRP is used to mask a price. This is true for payments, tokenization, games, and new DeFi apps, all of which have the power and speed to do so. You guessed it, the XRPL. But why Singapore? This is the key. Singapore is the most innovative city in Asia, with clear rules and a government that really wants blockchain builders to come. Ripple is putting the XRP Ledger at the center of where the next big wave of Web3 breakthroughs are happening by putting the accelerator there. This is a big deal, people. More builders means more useful things in the actual world. More projects that start in a ledger means more demand for XRP, and it has the gas and liquidity engine. Every startup that the accelerator helps succeed could help XRP become more useful, and that's what makes it valuable and popular with the general public. Let's talk about this now. The huge pretty bill. We all heard it. We all know what was approved. We all know that Trump is signing the papers. This was put out by Bo Hines. Congratulations to President Trump in the House for passing the historic, huge, beautiful package that cuts taxes, secures the border, ends the tax on tips, and makes the American economy stronger than ever. The week of July 4th is Crypto Week in the House. Let's speak about this big, gorgeous law and what it's going to do. If you're a crypto OG or just someone who wants to make more money, I know that this bill could change your finances in ways you don't expect. So let's talk about the US economy. Imagine it like a race in Mario Kart. Sometimes you strike these power-ups that make you go faster all of a sudden. That's what the measure is supposed to do, giving businesses and households more money to spend by putting fresh money into the system, lowering taxes, or giving direct help. It feels like everyone just got a mushroom boost for their wallets. The law might bring greater tax refunds, stimulus checks, or lower taxes on your paycheck for most Americans. Imagine if one day you wake up and your employer says, hey, this month you get a little additional money in your paycheck. Have fun. A good tax cut or stimulus does that. It gives you additional money right away, so you can choose how to spend or invest it. When the government puts money into our infrastructure, technology, or corporate incentives, it's like a parent paying for their child's education. You might not see results right away, but this is the first step toward the future, for growth and new ideas in the future. Businesses can recruit more entrepreneurs, come up with new ideas, and start new businesses. The whole country starts to get better. This is where things get really interesting for crypto. People look for ways to grow their money when there is a lot of surplus cash in the economy. In the past, real estate was the place to invest in equities, but now it's crypto. It's like when a neighborhood starts to grow and everyone wants to purchase a house there. More money in circulation means that more money will flow into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. The only thing in the US that is legal and has a real use case. But of course, if too much money comes in too quickly, it might make prices go up. That's what we call inflation. But here's the twist. You have a hedge with crypto, a means to keep your money safe and your power as the value of the dollar changes. It's like when the price of food goes up, but you discover a smart strategy to save or invest. In this digital age, crypto is the smart choice. This isn't the first time we've seen this. The stimulus checks came. The charts for crypto brighten up. Why? Well, it's easy. Because folks are just putting money away. They want to make their money and the blockchain grow. This new type of asset, crypto, opens up new ways to get rich. So whether you love or detest politics, the real issue is what you do with the chance. The big beautiful bill or not smart money. If I had smart houses and in 2025, more and more of that money is staring right at Bitcoin. And on top of everything else, don't forget, Brad Garlinghouse will speak at the market structure hearing on Wednesday at 10 a.m. All of this is building up to the week of the 14th, and Smoke wants you to know that XRP is going to grow less volatile over time, and this is all written down as more and more people want XRP. Ripple wants to have direct access to the Federal Reserve. We have these docs that say XRP would get more volatile over time, which we sort of understood, right? The more it is consumed, the more liquid it becomes and the more the price will stay the same. And then we made the video yesterday which talked about it. It says that XRP and XLM will probably both have a fixed value in fiat currency in the future to make it possible to send money using blockchains. Keep your eyes open, everyone. Something major is coming up, something enormous is simmering. The biggest and most explosive bull run we've ever seen is going to happen. I hope you had fun. I hope you have a good day. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up.